What would disqualify someone from long-term care insurance?
Health and affordability. Those are the only two things that ever stand in the way of being able to get it, and mostly it's health. And that's where, when I talk to families about having choice, if you're in great health or even borderline good health, you still can get this stuff, and that's a choice you have. But once you have cancer, once you are diagnosed with a heart condition, once you have to use a walker to get around or a wheelchair, most companies will run. They won't insure you at that point. Now, for a cancer patient, if you become cancer-free, depending on the company, from anywhere from 2 to 5 years, they will reevaluate your application at that point. But typically, the health things that slow us down as we get older are the same things that prevent us from being able to get the insurance. And affordability, the government has tried to say to us as representatives of the insurance companies that if you run into somebody who's got very small nest egg, don't sell them the insurance because you're going to take even more from that nest egg. Let them spend their assets and then apply for Medicaid. Now, that's not the greatest answer, but for so many people, that's the only answer. Mm-hmm. And the downside to Medicaid is that you have to be pretty much destitute, and you don't get to choose where you go. It's first bed available. So, you might be from the Detroit area and find out that dad has to go into a nursing home in Alpena because that's the first available Medicaid bed in the state. But he's still getting care. So, it could be worse.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. If you want to learn more about long-term care insurance, click on this. This is a playlist where we answer all relevant questions. If that helped, hit the subscribe, and we're going to keep bringing great videos